things that take time build up. So at that point in time, I had 2 girlfriends.
Story time, brought to you by Askia.
So, we'd have a 1B, isn't me?
I hear a session, no, so talk to them.
We'd have a 1B, is it?
Confession, bombard! Confession session. There we go.
Yeah, so.
There we go.
Nice little painting and thing. Everything they are going well.
But him did have an on and off link, you see me?
And she did a lurk. You know, like you just stop text her. You didn't end things officially. No, rubbish. Things ended,
Rubbish!
things ended officially. But just like, you know, out of your mouth, you never say, yo,
We're done. Forever.
you see me?
No, because like only can done, but not forever. Only can done now. You know, like Lalik, but I'm gonna see again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Them
You get what I'm
vibes.
saying?
So, yeah, we just I did just one of them night there. You know, we haven't fit in the same space. And things go on. But this happened like in the first part of my relationship, like when my relationship like just started.
Alright, in my head, in the first 3 months, you're allowed to mess up.
And it was in the first year.
Alright. No, I'm gonna know. I mean, you probably not fair. Some people probably use the first.
No man, me know me wrong, you know.
Yeah. It's not right. But in my head, in the first 3 months, you have to get it right by then. This is why the first 3 months end. You have to get it right. So if for the first 3 months, when I say right, well, I excuse you right now.
You see me? So that happened, and the Wednesday, I received a call.
Sure, you want to tell the story, my friend?
Yeah, but I want to tell it, man.
Talk your shit.
So I received a call saying, "Hey, what's this?" So she sent me her password to her.
As in you're a current girl?
Eh?
Are you a current girl?
Yeah, the girl, yeah, she sent me her password to her Instagram. And only if she say, yo, the person who me did do my dealings with, I confess to she. I say, yo, oh my God. And
she come to her as a woman?
As a woman. Oh my God, I feel so bad. Come here now. Oh my God, I feel so bad. Like, I know that as a woman, like, I wouldn't want to hide this from you.
Yeah.
Heart to heart.
Yeah.
You see me? So she confessed.
Because her heart pure.
You see me? The Wednesday, me and I guess we tell my side of the story first. Because
You not gonna tell the story?
yes.
You not gonna confess?
Me not gonna confess.
You not tell about yourself?
Yes.
I'm alone with them things there, you know.
Me not gonna do it now because
But the things I tell about myself already, you know.
because it's like, I'm tell you, bro, I'm tell you. I made a vow to myself and never go back to that girl. I'm gonna go back.
The conscience and them you
Yeah, man. So that did go on and thing, and you know, I feel bad. Oh my God, my heart was broken. Her heart was broken, and until I leave, because the love was so strong. Because the love was so strong. Because the love was so strong. See, she stayed. And I said, alright, Askia, you have to, you can't mess up. Can't mess up, you know. Cannot mess up now. So, you know, that push going on strong and thing, and then heading into like the summer. You see me, bro? Just before summer started, why? I was things were going on in a relationship. You see me, things are kind of roughish, and I handled it badly.
Wait, you keep on again?
No, man.
Okay,
Stop
sorry.
I handled it badly. You see me? And I met a girl. I met a girl face to face. So not like me go to my way for text her. You see me? I want to make an event where we there lime and thing, and
You know, them always thinks you are the nice one.
I'm nice.
Sound like a dirty boy, not.
No. Come on, bro. At first it was innocent.
Yeah!
No joke. You see me?
Go on to the
So that's we texted and thing, Instagram and other apps and thing and dear bro. One thing led to the other.
No man, what is one thing that led to the other?
As in the texting.
Okay.
Led to like
meeting up?
Meeting up.
Alright.
And
what were your intentions at the time?
as me say, things weren't going so well in the relationship.
No,
man, no.
That is not what I asked.
No, me not done.
Okay.
Things weren't going well in the relationship, so I handled it differently, and I needed an outlet. You see, me talking to the person who I was with was not, to me at the time, was not it. You see me? So
is it if talking to the person at the time I never it for me, or no what I do? Left. If me and them can't talk to you, we can't there.
True.
If me and them can't talk to you and come to you as a man and reason, can't there. Some would have left for her. But continue, because you love strong. So you stay.
Yeah. So I was just there talking. I didn't give her like the full thing as what's going on in my relationship because that is supposed to happen. But, you know, the girl knew what go on.
She knows you're there with a girl?
Yeah. Or things that break off.
Tio.
You see me? And she did just come out of my relationship.
At this point, this was how many months in the relationship at this point?
This was like
around 6 months?
This was like 8.
Like 8 months?
8.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. So, what did I again? What did I say?
Meet up.
Yeah, man. So, no, man.
On a meet up, one thing led to another on a meet up.
Yeah, we meet up and things kick off.
I thought kick way.
You see me? Oh, we go back right there. So she just come out of a relationship. So she did actually like the vibe. I don't know what's with Askia, I don't know. But she did like Ogwan. She did like Ogwan, see?
Sorry.
So
talk about a story, man.
Yeah.
Talk about a story.
She like Ogwan things. Things never in terms of sex. No, that never happened. But like you know.
Touch up.
No man, just
kiss up.
Yeah man, just
this is kissing to you?
Yeah.
This is how you use. Alright.
Yeah.
This look weird.
Yeah. And things that take time build up. So at that point in time, I had 2 girlfriends. You see me, bro?
Yeah.
And
so she was not a side girl, she was your actual girlfriend.
Yeah. But me.
So as a general.
No, that's
so as a man.
As a.
You felt it okay.
No, it was not okay.
Okay.
I saw it.
But did you feel bad in yourself?
Yes, I did feel bad.
Alright.
You see me? I saw it got out of control, but I did nothing and
you never wanted nothing. You never wanted nothing.
So the girl who I met after my girlfriend,
yeah,
she she started text my current beat now.
Wait, so every girl you link always gonna text back your girlfriend. You know, see your starting friend? You want to wash off. Yeah. You want to wash off.
So,
you want to wash off.
Yeah, man, so that go on and...
All you must retire from buddy, no?
Yeah.
All you must retire from buddy.
That's it. That's like...
Let me tell you something. This is your girlfriend, dog. If you're a good youth, you know make you find out. You know what I'm saying? Unless... I'm saying, if you're a good youth, you know make you find out unless you tell her. You see me?
But I didn't have any...
Girl, if you see her in the streets, I pass her always put a friend lip and she that. I'm deal. Askia, You want to wash off my friend, God
yeah,
knows.
man. So it's not like I say, it was not like, oh, yo, may I try this, girl is thing. No. Within our relationship, things over there going good. We meet one girl, they get it like me. We dey talk.
Askia.
Yeah.
You know, say this salt though. And me a cooking up. Me a tell us this salt. You want your salt, man. You want to wash off.
This is not funny. So yeah. So she found out. I know a good girl stayed with me.
After the second one?
Yeah.
But now I promise no girl that enough.
Yeah.
You tell the truth here. But now I promise
stayed.
But now I promise no girl that.
Yeah, man, she stayed with me and yeah. So now me done now, you know. I was like, me done.
You're done with the bun thing?
Done now, like. Yo, I was like, everything I dedicate to her, like, everything, girl. Attention, everything.
You just left the relationship. That's clearly the one you wrote, dog. No, yeah.
You see me? And, you know, there's someone now.
After you're done?
After me done, so yo, baby, like, me and you now, like, forever.
Me I post this, you know, so I post this, right? You know, so I post this. Am I okay? Is it okay if I post this story?
Yeah, it's okay.
Will you get attacked?
Nah, man.
Me can't tell my story, them bandits, you know, cause me we dead. Me can't tell my story, them bandits, you know.
Yeah, it's only vibes.
You see how 3 fake page create, me can't create my...
You see me come, know.
You made peace with your past?
Yeah. I'm good now.
My past, he hate me.
You see me, bro. So, heading into the summer now. Good girl.
Talk up, man. What time now? Wait for it. Go on talk.
Yeah, man. So good girl decided to, I don't know, squeeze out things.
Just saying.
Is it? So she decided to squeeze out things with.
She fling back a bonfire, G.
Fling it back, man.
Fling it over there.
Yeah.
Fling the bone away. She fling back a bonfire, G.
And he's like, I say, yo, General.
You shake you?
Yeah, man. Come and say, yo, this was my thing. I say, yo, if you go through all
if me done,
no.
I would say we're done.
No, just go
what
down.
you do?
Just go down. You see, if we got you, them rough time, you know. And she say, yo, this bun thing, alright.
This bun thing nah gonna win, nah benefit, no.
And I gave you the opportunity to leave. You did not leave.
You stay.
You stayed.
And bun me back.
And so what was the whole thing?
Where you stay for?
We stay for, and but I say, yo, for leave. I'm saying, nah, man. I'm not leave.
So you say, you, okay, wait. So, alright, you stay, though you didn't want to leave. You stay because she didn't stay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cycle this man.
So,
Cycle this man.
you kind of hard for move over.
Yeah, you are fully aware right now this was a very toxic relationship, right? Right? You can now admit to yourself that this relationship was very toxic.
I could say that.
Okay, just want to get this out of it. Because based on what you're saying, I just want to let you know that is not okay. Okay? You see the bun down and lick something? You see what I said?
Yeah. So I stayed and work through. We get over it quick because I can't afford for laba and that damn thing. You know, so she never tell me until me did ask her come. Askia no, you know. Askia felt something moved in my soul.
Yes, you know, so the girl that give you a thing.
Gateway.
Oh, you think gateway.
You see me, so I asked her and she never tell me unless me did ask her and thing, and she did feel bad. You see me, dog, and work through that and thing. But
people is that how mad people did there.
nah, man, just cool. But so now that the bun them squeeze out, you see it? Bun them squeeze out, you know.
Bun them squeeze.
We're up on a brand new thing, you know. we are start something now.
Yeah. Alright, so when you get the bun out on the system, she get what she did want, you get what you did want. Yeah. You know?
Things that were serious.
Fresh relationship.
Yeah.
Fresh relationship.
And every time when she do something sus, and me ask her about it, she always bring up my thing. She always bring up say, so you could have done that, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, oh my God, like, you give on two, you know. One night you didn't know, say you didn't.
I don't even know, say your car is a car there.
Yeah, I don't even, so, you know, we're brand new now, you know, everything's quit out, so if me have an issue with something, I should be able to express that. But that was not the case. And every 2 months, them atrocities when we did do, she always bring it up. And me can never put to her what she did do to me.
Can you eat that?
Is it me, dog? Every time me do it, every time me put it up to her, she always say, because of that make me did do this. I said,
what was your motivation to stay in this relationship, might I ask?
Because I never did want to take on a girl's thing that I see.
You know, if you be a miss.
No man, I wanted to try and make this work. I thought it could work. But she left me.
Let's say she left you? Yeah. Faster, villain. Thank you.
Yeah. So she left me. Her words were, if I dirt, I dirt.
Ooh. Wait.
This is like me trying to make this work.
No man, your story done, my friend. Your story done. Alright. Quick rundown. Recap.
There's more after this, no, but look a bit more after this, but that's okay. I'll talk it. Continue.
Look more?
Yeah.
No, go and talk. Tell the full story.
Yeah, man. So after she left me and thing, and so yo, you know, so Askia, this not, you know, I finally found out that this was a toxic relationship, and she left for like 2 days, and she feel as if after in 2 days that she could have come back and
she born again,
and you know, run in and say, oh, I'm good.
You take her out, my friend?
No.
Okay.
No, man. I couldn't do that. Is it me? Because is it as a...
No, like, girl left me 1 day already and come back to you next day. I take her out with open arms.
No, man. Actually not. Because we had to go through so much.
Oh, me never
She couldn't just left and
emotionally, I was going through, I told her, you know.
Is it me?
But she never really dirt me still. A good girl.
Yeah,
I
man.
love her to this day. A good girl.
Yeah, so she ended up left for go on, and then she realized the mistake which she like, I don't know, toot my own heart. But
Cause you're good youth, a mistake. My friend attractive, my friend is a catch. Know that. Learn that.
Yeah, man, I push me to work with this, and I have to go through certain things there if learn from them apparently.
Learn that.
And me I make this work now, and she apparently she was just tired of it, I guess. So she do what she do, and she drop it 2 days after she want to come back. I couldn't deal with that. So.
To the left, no shit. To the left, to the left.
Yeah, so you know the vibe, and
don't stop ball, like, it's fine.
Yeah, bro.
It's fine now. Don't stop ball.
Yeah, man, couple tears it run still.
Naturally.
It's me, bro.
I have to pull up a youths with beer and beer thing. You're good, dog.
Yeah.
As a face still, you come back here and still, because you know talk about that. Anyways, recap. Askia, there was a girl. Garbon, the girl come to him girlfriend and confess. Garbon again, the next girl come to him girlfriend and confess. She give him bun. In pressure, she confess. She left him. That is literally what happened. That is literally what happened.
Yeah.
Guys, this is a good story time. You know? Nice to let Askia offload a lot of things he had. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Me not offload so much story, you know, cause my story them can't tell. You see me? I don't know me, so I'm not gonna know exactly who. Askia be a mix up, then I don't know who Askia talk. And if you think you do, you don't. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I guarantee. So How may I close the video?
Boy,
Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Also, if a dirt, a dirt. Guys, give me a second. But you done the video, but me I'll come back for me to know this part.
So months after, months after, me that text this girl. So me that me
You that look at Cathy?
Yeah.
Say that.
Yeah, and she was telling me about her ex. You know, what a small world we live in. And she was telling me that my ex now, at the time, was texting her male ex. And
while you and her did
there.
So
that's
all in
during
all,
the same time she get where.
So all in all,
Things that actually squit out now because of two things did go on.
all in all, she da give him bun, and then she da link one other girl, man. So him get it back.
So, me get
What goes around comes around. What goes up must come down. Broke him up. But yeah.
But life is good.
Yeah. Going back to the end of the video.
Isn't it?